How's it going, everyone? My name is Hanzui, and today we're gonna play Keep the Door Locked Anomaly. So this game is contain jump scares and flashing lights, disturbing sounds, and content that may trigger phobias. So this will be a very good horror game for me though. So ano bang hinihintay natin? Let's start the game.
Welcome to our hotel. We have prepared a suite for you. Rest to your heart's content.
Okay.
Make sure to obey the rules.
Okay.
The hotel has a strict no refund policy under any circumstances.
Sige. Good luck. Bye. So, nandito tayo sa kumakatok. Top. Hotel safety rules. Bathroom monster. Never step alone. Let's guest into your room first. Door knocker. And window sealer. Grabe. Saan yan? Saan yung telepono na yan? Saan ba yung telepono? Ayun. Top.
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left?
Yes.
So, keep your door locked tonight, yeah?
Okay.
Somebody's gonna knock. Don't open it. Just take a peek first. Peephole, the little camera, whatever. If they're talking weird, that ain't a person. Trust me.
Okay.
So yeah, don't let them in. Just chill. Wait it out.
Just chill, okay.
Oh, and keep the curtain closed. If the window starts tapping, go check it. Quick though, don't take your time. If power cuts out, get to the breaker and flip it. Fast.
Fast.
One more thing. Don't ever sleep alone
What do you mean sleep
in
alone?
that bathroom.
There's something in that
For the
bathroom.
others, sleep together. It won't touch a full room. Stay in your room. Don't die. You'll be fine.
Okay po.
Probably.
Probably.
Anyway, sleep tight. Kinda hope I see you in the morning.
Okay po. Skip. So, there's someone gonna knock, diba? Boy, big. The officer. Do you see those monsters? I don't want to sleep alone. Please let me in. Wait. Wait lang nga. Check the camera here. So, you look fine. You are police. Can I enter you? Do you see those monsters? I don't want to sleep alone. Open the door. Good morning. Okay. Tap to sleep. Yun. Di kasama na tayo. Day 1. Sheesh! Nice. Day 2 na tayo, boy. Tapos na tayo sa day 1. Boy. Tapos start the alarm. Okay, nice. Uy. Oy, wait lang! Lakas naman ng kabog mo na ito. Wait lang. Who's knocking the door? Sino yan? Ilang CCTV. May mga dumi dito. Tap to point. May mga dumi. Butit na yun. Oh, wait! Yung rules! Door knocker. Not every knock is a human. Check the visitor before opening. Okay. So yung door knocker yun. Tap the answer.
You're still here.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Wow. Okay. That's great.
That's great.
Most folks don't make it past the first night. Good for you.
Yep.
So, look, same deal as last night. Door stays shut. Don't believe anybody out there. It gets worse the longer you stay, just so you know. But hey, you already know that, don't you?
I don't know that.
Anyway, I'm not gonna lie to you and say you'll be fine.
Grabe. Uy! Okay. Uy, may kumakatok. Putik na yan! Ba't wala kang isang lock the door. What? But... What? Grabe! Meron pala siyang isang kamay. Wait, the door. A pit. I only need corner to sleep in. I will be gone in the morning. Let me check you first. The hell? What is this? What are you reading this? Huh? Bro, what the hell? What's kayo dyan? Okay, so you're pretty normal to me. Are you sure? I only need a corner to sleep in. Okay, I don't trust you. Get up. Nah, I don't believe ya. Putik na yan! Naka-open yung banyo. I have nowhere else to go. Please let me stay with you tonight. Naka-open yung putik na banyo. Check the security camera. Hey! What the hell? Hey, yo! What the hell is that, bro? No! I will not let you in, man. I will not let you in, dude. Lock the door. Nah. Uy, putik na yan. Buiset. Nagulat ako sa may ano.
Hey, I think there might be something translucent walking around in the hallway.
What?
Keep an eye out.
Yeah. Okay. Ang lakas ng kabog ng pin, no? Ng... Kapatid. Do you see those monsters? I don't want to sit alone. Just let me in. Wait. Let me check you first. Oh my goodness, what the hell is that? You're an anomaly. No, I will not sleep with you. No. Lock the door. I will lock the door, bro. Hoy! Kumusta ka dyan, pre? Huwag kang muna lalabas, ha? I'm from the room across from you. I need to get inside. Wait, let me check you first. Okay, you're normal. Okay. Leave. So, I think you're... Okay. Okay, open the door. Thank you so much for trusting me. Okay, let's go sleep. Ay, grabe. Day 3. Okay, so turn off the alarm. Yung mga dumi. Grabe. Tik na yan. Nagulat ako sa ano. Hoy! Oh my goodness. No, ho. Pwede natin gamitin to. Oh my goodness, by Robux. What the hell? Who are you guys? Talk to me. We found moved out of scene. The spiders could come out any moment, and they are very dangerous. Spiders? Oh yeah, there's spiders. Okay. Open the door, please. There we go. Uy, grabe. Ay, okay. Ito yung pala yung kasama natin, no? Okay. So, to sleep. Shish. Day 4. It's already day 4. Nice. Very, very nice. Yung mga dumi. Ba't di kayo ang dudumi ninyo? Turn off the alarm. My goodness. There. And there. Top. Can you open this? Oh! Put it na yan. No. I will not open that ano. Oh, it wasn't right there. Okay. Wait lang. May kumakatok. Okay. Ito to check. Because I can hear it breathing down the hall. Right, let me check it first. Hoy! Ba't yung namatay sa ano? So I did this is a double ganger shift. Okay, it's a double ganger. I will not let you in, dude. It's a double ganger. No, lock the door. We should do that when I ask nicely. I don't do that. I don't care, dude. Time to check. Time to pick. Who's knocking the door? Putik na yan. May kumakatok-katok sa ano. Okay. I wasn't touch anything. I just need to hide until morning. Wait. Diba ikaw yung kanina? Ay, kasama mo. Okay, you look pretty fine, I guess. I will let you in. Is you fine? Open the door. Yeah, okay. Putik na yan, ha? Natatakot ako dito sa ano. Okay, tap this way. Sheesh! Okay, we ano. Nakaka-survive naman tayo. Ay, naka. Ay, putik ka! Sumabog yung wala. Sumabog yung wala. Wala. Hello there, bud. Talk to pick. Have mercy, and I don't want to die in this hallway. Wait. Bruh. Isa shapeshifter na naman. Now,
Hey, your lights just tripped the breaker. You'll need to head out to the hall panel and reset it yourself. Go out and turn left and you will find the breaker box.
okay. So we should go here. Okay. Fix the breaker. Okay. Good. Ah! Oh my goodness. Hoy! Oh, ano yun? Tahal, ano yun? Top to pick. Tuhad tayo. Ba't ka ba't nag-open yung pinto? Nag-open yung pinto. Oh my goodness, ano nangyayari? What? Wait lang. Okay. Ba't na, ano? Wait, oh my goodness, what is this? What is this? Okay, fix lang ko yung breaker. Wait lang po. Oh! Oh! Ah! Putik. Oh! Putik na yan! Have mercy. Okay. Ikaw na naman ba? Putik na yan. You're looking, huh? You like me? Nga pala, ano pala to, no? Double ganger pala to, no? Nah. I don't trust you, dude. Oh my goodness, we have 33 life, man. Sanity. Putik ka. I really want to get out here, but it's too dark. Can I rest for one night? Let me check you. Oh my goodness. The hell is this? No, you cannot rest here. Oh my goodness. No. Knock the door. Putik na yung biglang umikot yung ulo niya. Oh my goodness. Spider na naman. May spider sa ceiling. Okay, that's okay. My car broke and my phone battery is dead. I need help, but I couldn't sleep here tonight. Let me check you first before you sleep. There's a spider in my ceiling. Okay, seems fine. Okay, I'll let you in. Open the door. Till morning. Okay, it's time to sleep. Sheesh. Gay. Why? Lucid dreams. The hell's this? Ano nangyayari dito? Tap to choose. Just. Oh. What is that? Day 5 to day 6. Okay. Nagising tayo. Ang dami pong putik na kalat. Oh my goodness. Ang dumi natin. Mga basura pa dito. Hoy, pre, kamusta? Turn off. Turn on. Hoy.
There's a guy with a knife wandering in the hotel.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you turn off the light when you go to sleep.
Okay, okay. I know that. Nakita ko siya. Oo nga, ito nga. Oh, let me see you that room tonight. If any light comes... Oh my goodness. Okay, turn off the light. Oh my goodness. It scares shit out of me. Sino po? Yan. Thank you for saving me that night. Here's some cash and enjoy the pizza. Enjoy the pizza? Ah, thank you, dude. Kindness. Oi. There we go. It's a cake. The hell you made? What the hell? What the make clown dun? Oh, wait.
Front desk here. I just saw the anomaly at the window. It's heading your way. Keep an eye out.
Anomaly. It's an anomaly. Stop. Saan yung anomaly? Putik na yun. Lock the door. What the hell? Ba't ayun yung tulog na yun? Saan nagagaling ang tulog na yun? Okay, keep the eye out Putik ka. Sino yun? Ay! Door knocker. Not every knock is human. Check the visitor before opening it. Okay, may anomaly sa pinto natin. Have to pick. Mas po kayo dyan, please. Putik ka. Ay! Ay! Alis! Leave! Buisit! Ano yung tulog na yun? Okay, guys. Ano yung tulog na yun? Oh my god. Hide your bed now. Tap! Oh! Langya. Putik ka. Ano yun?
Are you still alive?
Oh, boy pa ako. Bakit?
A little bit worried when I saw it on camera.
Yeah.
That thing will show up at my side any time now.
Yeah, manahimik kang putik. Is this your cat? You don't have a cat. I don't have a cat. Wait. Don't have a cat? Error signal. No, that's not my cat. No, that's not my cat. Look there. Is it alright? Yeah, it's alright. Putik na yan. I don't have any cat. Wait. This granny next door's cookies were amazing, but now my stomach is killing me. Please, can I use your bathroom? Can you... no you can't! Try ko nga, sige, open the door. Good luck. Kahit nakakaihi ka. Okay, sleep. Got to sleep. Reset. Day 6 to day 7. Woo! Okay. A good night's sleep. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Hi, bro. What's up, man? Shoe, rat shoe. Oh no, my pizza. Okay. Clean this mess. Don't let me see you that room tonight. If any light comes out of your room, I will not leave to see you in the morning. Oh, okay. Naka-off naman yung namin. Grabe. Have to pick. Oh my goodness, nagbabalik ka na naman. Nagbabalik ka na naman. Bruh. Okay, good. Have to pick. Nope. Haha. I will not let you in, dude. I'm not stupid, dude. I'm not stupid, dude. Ano yung tunog na yun? Putik na yan. Wait, ito ba yung tunog? Ito ba yung anomaly na ano? Please save me. I saw what it did to me. Room next door. Okay. Wait. Let me check your formats. Need to reboot system. Wait. System online. Okay, you look good. Okay, I'm gonna let you in, bro. Open the door. To save me, I won't make it a sound. Okay. Oh, let's sleep. Woo! Oh, it's day 8. Okay. A good night's sleep. Putik na yan. Yung daga. Kainin ko na nga yung pizza. Ayan. Kainin ko na buo pa din na kainin ng daga. Okay, there's someone knocking at the door. He's coming. None? Do you mean she's coming? Oh. The hell? What the hell is that? You. What is that? A deer monster? Oh no. Don't move. Putik na yan. Don't move. Okay, we good, I think. Putik. Still a stone. Oy. Ano meron dito? Pwes po, sana wag kayo magpakita sa akin. Fix the barrier. Takbo! Ah! Tik na yan. Reset. Nagulat ako. Alam niyo. Oh my goodness. Okay. Take the pick. Ano yung tinatago mo sa likod mo, Lolo? Lolo, check ko muna ha. Baka kasi patayin mo ako eh. Pero yung ano mo. Oh wait. I think you're fine. Wait lang nga, tignan ko yung sinabi mo. So hard, I'm not one of them. No. Oh no, okay. Lalabas na siya. Fix the breaker. Okay, good. Go, 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 go. Don't look behind, bro. Uy, lumalabas ka na! Wait lang, huwag ka muna lumabas. Okay, there's someone knocking. Do you see those monsters? I don't want to sleep alone. Just let me in. Wait, let me see. Let me check you first. Let me check you for a second. Uy! Putik na yan. I will not let you... Ew! Okay. I will not let you in, dude. Lock the door. I'll come back later. Huwag ka nang bumalik! Visit. Someone... Okay, nagbabalik na naman itong hayop na to. Babalik ka na naman, tap. Ay! Ano ka na bumalik? Visit ka. Dami mga... Uy! Putik ang dami mga spider, dude. Okay, go. Uy! Yun. Wait. Okay. Stop the stick. Whew! Putik. Okay. Day 9 soon. What a good sleep. Yeah, it's a good sleep. Putik na yan ang kalat. Hey, good answer.
Hey, after this day is over, I'll give you the key.
I'll give you the key.
Sit tight and survive until then.
Okay. What's this? How to pick. Ikaw na naman. See you in the morning. Okay, let's turn off the lights. Ay. Ay. There. Naka-off na pala yung lights. My bad. Have to pick. Ay, ikaw na naman. Smigel, ikaw na naman. Smigel. Can you please leave me alone? Thank you. Oh my goodness. Hello there, bud. Okay. Yung mga spiders pa sa ceiling, wala. Okay, ito mga to. Bodyguard. I keep people alive for a living $750 and I stay 3 nights. Whatever comes to the door goes to me first. Wait, let me check it first. Okay. What? Our signal lost. The booting system. Systems online. Okay, you good. Okay, you're good. Putik ka. Okay, you can stay tonight. Uy! Hello, guard. Pantayin mo ako, ha? Wait lang. Kailangan ko muna i-fix yung ano. Fix the breaker. Okay. Pwede na ba tayo matulog? Uy. Top to pick. The hell? Wala ka mukha! No! You won't survive long. Okay. Wow. My goodness, buti nandito ka, guard. Wala akong kasama. Can I stay with you for long enough? I will sleep on the floor if I have to. Let me check you first for a second. Okay, you cannot stay there. You stay here pala. Can't. Putik na may bumubulong! It's not a skill you will know. May bumubulong. Putik na may bumubulong. Ay! Uy, chill! Wait, let me check you first. Putik ka. Hello? Uy! Fix the breaker. Okay. Oh, good. Ah! Wait, let me check you first. Okay, harang-harang. Okay. You good to go. You good. Open the door. Okay, good. Okay, nice. I hear the knocking from the walls. Please don't leave me out here. Wait, let me check you first. No, you're not. No. You won't come in because you are anomaly. Lock the door. Oh! Sir! Kala ko ba kayo ba yung mag-ano? Kung nakatayo lang kayo dyan, sir. Uy, I heard knocking from the walls. Please don't let me out here. Wait, let me check you first. The hell? Okay, I think you seems fine. Oh yeah, you're fine. Open the door. I can come in and go to sleep. Finally. Whew. Day 10. Last day. Okay, good. Nice. Uy! Uy! Okay, we're dead. We're screwed. You did not survive the night. The hell? You didn't survive the night? Bruh. Alright, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para ma-updated kayo sa pati na videos. And yun lang. Bye-bye.